welcome to the Terry White Tech Blog. Today we're here to take a look at the long-awaited iHome iW1. I've been waiting for the speaker for quite a while. As a matter of fact, it's been teased or shown at various CES shows for probably almost a year and a half, if not 2 years. And the beauty of this particular speaker is it's one of the few AirPlay enabled speakers. They're coming out slowly. Bowers & Wilkins has one, JBL has one, and now the iHome one has finally shipped. And I gotta say, at first I wasn't gonna get it because I just moved on and started doing speakers connected to Airport Express units, but they have done a fantastic job on this. As a matter of fact, this has become my favorite AirPlay solution, speaker-wise. So, what's so unique about it? Well, first of all, it's smaller than I originally thought from the pictures, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. Of course, there is power, but it also works via a built-in battery. So it sits on this little power dock, and when it's not docked, you can actually use it for several hours on battery. And of course, it's built-in rechargeable battery is charging once it's sitting on a dock. The thing that really impressed me the most is that it configures via your iDevice and an app. So there's a free app. You download it on your iPhone, iPod Touch, or iPad. You plug in via your regular sync cable to the back of the speaker. And of course that will charge your iDevice too, and it'll let you play music directly through it if you want. And once you've configured it on your wireless network, which again, you do it all from your device, no weird menus, no having to connect up a computer via USB port, just plug it in, configure it with the app, and away you go. Once it's on your network, it shows up as an AirPlay device for anything in iTunes, for Rogue Amiga's Airfoil, and of course the iDevices can stream wirelessly to it as well. So for example, if I fire up my music player here, which I've already got it fired up, I'm going to start it off on the iPhone. So that sound we hear is actually coming from the phone, but at the very bottom there is a AirPlay menu, and I see the iHome iW1 listed. I just go ahead and switch to it. Takes a second to start streaming it over the network, but once that happens, we hear the music through the speaker. Now, they've got a very cool, I would almost say Apple-like touch interface, so there's no buttons on the top, but there is just basically a touch panel, so even changing the volume is with a swipe of your finger. Very well designed, and of course it's got the all-important audio in, as well as an iPod dock, your power, your battery indicator. It's just, again, a well thought out solution. So it was actually worth the wait, and I'm glad that it's shipping now. It is shipping in short supply. I was only able to find it at the actual local Apple store. It's not even on the Apple Store website as a recording of this video. And it's on various websites, but out of stock. So once these are shipping in full quantity, I highly recommend you get one if you're looking for a wireless AirPlay solution from either your iDevice or, more importantly for me, from my computers, because I stream to multiple speakers at the same time. So it's basically lets me create a whole house music system just by simply putting speakers like this wherever I want them and then controlling it all from my iTunes on my computer or Pandora with Airfoil or any other music source that I want. So, great solution. Thanks again, iHome. I know it was longer than we expected, but I'm glad you got this thing shipping, and I am thoroughly impressed with the build quality and the way it works. And again, the all-important configure it right from your device via an app. That was killer. All right, take care. Until next time, we'll catch you back on the Terry White Tech Blog.